Curling leaves in a Calathea plant can be a sign of various issues, but it's often related to improper care or environmental conditions like temperature stress. Calatheas will curl their leaves to let you know that they are unhappy. One of the most common reasons for this unhappiness is lack of water. Calatheas that don't receive enough water often curl their leaves inward instead of outward, a survival mechanism to retain moisture. These plants thrive in consistently moist soil, drying out slightly before the next watering. If you provide insufficient water, you will likely observe this distinctive curling pattern. The ideal method for watering your Calatheas is by using the bottom drainage holes. Fill a sink or bucket with water and let the potted plant absorb moisture from below for approximately 30 minutes. You might need to add water from the top to ensure the soil is thoroughly saturated and flush out excess salts every few watering sessions. Avoid splashing water on the leaves as this can promote leaf spot, especially in high humidity conditions. Temperature stress. Calatheas thrive in temperatures ranging from 60 degrees Fahrenheit to 85 degrees Fahrenheit. If the plant experiences excessively cold conditions, it might curl its leaves as a protective measure. This includes situations where there are drafts from the windows or air conditioners. To identify if temperature fluctuations are causing issues, monitor the temperature in the plant's location. If your Calatheas are outside on a balcony, bring them inside when it's very cold or hot. Too much cold or heat can harm your plants. Keep them in a stable environment to keep them healthy. Lack of humidity. Calatheas come from humid places, so they prefer high humidity. Ideally, your home's humidity should be between 40% and 60%, but Calatheas are even happier when it's closer to 60%. To boost humidity for your plants, you can use a humidifier. For a small increase, place your plants on trays filled with water and pebbles. This helps, especially in dry weather. Too much sunlight. Calathea plants like shade and indirect light, mimicking their natural habitat under trees. When indoors, keep them away from direct sunlight, especially around midday. Too much sun can damage their leaves and their vibrant patterns. Place them where they get good, but not harsh light. If your plant has been in too much sun, moving it to a shadier spot will help it recover, though you might have to remove badly damaged leaves. Relocate the plant to a spot with less light. Just make sure it's not entirely dark. Quality of the water. The water you use matters for Calathea plants. Tap water can cause mineral buildup, especially in areas with hard water, leading to salt deposits on the soil. To prevent this, use filtered or rainwater. Also, make sure the water is at room temperature, not cold, to avoid shocking the roots. Hope you liked the information. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more houseplants care videos.